In order to delete a task, we will use swipe to delete. As you can see, we can swipe to delete any row, but the row remains there, empty. Also, if we kill the app and launch it again, we can see that our data is still there. This makes sense as we have not written the code to delete it from the database yet. Having a look at our code, we can find an item touch helper that is attached to our recycle view. The onSwipe method of the callback will be called when the user swipes. This method receives two parameters, the view holder for that row and an integer that describes the swipe direction. We may want to use the swipe direction to implement different actions, but in our case, we will delete the task from the database in any case. Our first step will be to get our disk.io executor from the app executors instance and use it to execute a new runnable. Now, we will need to find out which task we want to delete. Our activity does not hold any reference to the list of tasks. The object that holds that know-how is our adapter. In order to access the private list of tasks, we will need to add a public getTasks method to our adapter. Using this method, we can retrieve the list of task entry objects from our adapter. To get the exact task, we need to know which position was swipe. Coming back to our main activity, we can get that information by calling the getAdapterPosition method of the receive view holder, which we will need to make final. With all this information, we can call the deleteTask method of our task.dao, passing the task entry object in that position. At this point, we have deleted the task from the database, but we will also need to update our UI to reflect this change. For that, we will need to load the task from the DB again, exactly as it is currently done in our onResume method. Duplicating this code will be a bad practice. A much better alternative will be to extract it to a new method. Let's call it retrieveTasks. Now, this method can be called from onResume, but also from our onSwipe method. If we run our app, we can now see that swipe does actually delete the task from the database and updates the UI.